The days of me speaking about Good Lock and people in the comments saying that they can't access it or download it or see it in the Galaxy Store are over. Samsung have confirmed that with One UI 7, Android 15, that Good Lock is coming to all countries. And not just that, it's going to be downloadable through the Play Store as well. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. And nearly 10 years after Good Lock first debuted on the Galaxy Store on Samsung phones, it's now going to be made available globally. A long overdue change, and one that we've been asking for ages, pretty much since it came out and the days of had the sideload, the APKs sort of began. It's something positive from Samsung with One UI 7. What we've seen so far is them removing some features, whereas with this Good Lock update, they're going to be expanding what it can do. So let's take a look at the announcement made by Samsung and then sort of go through what they've said it will look like and then talk about the positives of it. So if you look at this article from us here on our website, there is a official confirmation that Samsung have put out, and we have it here. So let's go through sort of what it looks like. We've got a confirmation here by someone who's in charge of the function, and Good Lock customers are taking care of their health and having a warm holiday season. That's nice. Of course, there's a nice comment there about the aviation accident in South Korea, and we do obviously send our thoughts and prayers to a lot of people that are involved and a part of that accident. It's very sad, especially this time of year. It's never good at all, but such a terrible time of year for this to happen. Back into the One UI 7 beta, we now can see that the Good Lock schedule for One UI 7. We can see here first that it says that 15 Good Lock apps are going to be available in the One UI 7 beta software, and 7 apps which are closely connected to the system and are always carefully updated will be open from the end of December, starting with Multistar. So that's gone and been. There's a couple of features there. They mention Home Up and Lockstar, that they are just going under some structural changes, so it may be a little bit late. The one we want to look at here is at the bottom, the Play Store support and global country support starting with One UI 7. You'll be able to download Good Lock not only from the Galaxy Store, but also from the Play Store. And Good Lock is available in all countries. That's the winning line there. It's something that many of our customers have been hoping for, and we expect that it will allow us to provide more comfortable access to more Galaxy users. It's exactly what we've been waiting for, that exact announcement. So let's have a look at some of the major changes that will come along with that. Starting with the main app of Good Lock, the UI improvement, the overall configuration of the main app has been changed to revamp the UI's usability. They've done that so it can be used a lot more favorably by people who are new to Good Lock. And with this expansion of Good Lock into more countries, that makes a lot of sense. There'll be an app/post filter, which means you can easily find the functions and apps you need and the posts about them through the search and filter function. It's neat. There's a new added My Page tab, which means you can reset settings and add a Good Lock widget and conveniently manage the Good Lock function that you are using. I like that. This last line here in this post has me interested. There's a lot of people that say they don't like that Good Lock isn't standard, that a lot of these features aren't part of One UI. So this says here that they're going to try and summarize the meaning, direction, and intention of providing Good Lock in detail. So I'm looking forward to seeing what that means. Home Up is going to get a lot of different custom new features, enhanced accessibility features, intuitively set up the Home Up function in One UI Home. So that's good. There's going to be free home item placement, which means you can freely place items on the home screen without grid restrictions. Right now, when you go to add something on the home screen, there's a grid that you need to align to, as you can sort of see as I'm moving stuff around here. You can see the little dots. That is the grid that you need to put things in. So what we're assuming this means is that you don't have to worry about that. There's stickers. That's neither here nor there. There's animation tuning and multi-finger gestures. So you can tune your home gesture animations to make gestures look the way you want. And with multiple fingers, you can perform gesture actions from any position on the screen. Looking forward to seeing what that means, whether the 2-finger swipe for the notifications for the quick panel rather would be able to be done from the middle of the screen. Let's see. There's a lot here, so I'm not going to go through too much. The thing that I'm looking forward to here is the edge panel customization. So you can make the edge panel more accessible, such as viewing more items and scrolling through areas of recent apps. I use the edge panel religiously. It's one of my favorite things about One UI. And even when it started with the TouchWiz days, I was a big proponent of it. So that one I'm looking forward to seeing. For the Fold and the tablet, there's some taskbar customization. You can change the order of the taskbar's app icons and add them. Game Booster Plus, a lot of people love mobile gaming, so there's some new game boosters to Good Lock with Game Booster Plus. You can directly change the category of apps that are games, but not classified in the game category. It's nice. And then would not be supported to receive the game-related support from Game Booster. So the fact that you can change that yourself means that you'll be able to get that support from the Game Booster Plus. You can remat gamepads. That's cool. There'll be some GPU detailed settings where you can sort of see what's going on like that. There's going to be a new place or space for you to be able to show off routines that you've created and share them with others. So if you want to sort of make a routine and you think other people will benefit, seems like there's going to be a place where you can go to and see what other people have created. They're calling it Routine Gallery. I like that. We've got here one last one for Lockstar, which is showcasing that people have complained about the fact that the Lockstar function is too far away from the lock screen. So it looks as if they're going to prepare a natural extension of Lockstar within lock screen editing, so you can jump straight to it without having to go to Lockstar separately. What it seems like I can see which is happening is that Samsung is looking to combine Good Lock with One UI. Extending it globally and making it part of the Play Store, it seems that they want to have a more intuitive flow between One UI and Good Lock. Because let's face it, a lot of the Good Lock functions end up becoming part of One UI anyway. So Samsung sort of making it more part of One UI and adding Good Lock shortcuts into One UI features just further strengthens that connection and means that that's what we're going to see. I'm here for it. Hit subscribe to SamMobile TV for all One UI 7 related stuff. And of course, everything that's upcoming here in January. We're the place to be. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks.